If your artificial grass needs cleaning up from leaves, especially from helicopter seeds, then the best tool for this is the DARLAC Grab and Lift. In one of my previous videos, I do show you guys on how to set up this great garden tool. And I wanted to make another video just to show you guys on how quick and easy it is to clean up your garden. I find it much more easier using this tool than using a hard bristle brush. Or if you got the money in the bank, then you can invest in an outdoor vacuum. The top part of the artificial grass is cleared up, and it only took me 5 minutes. So basically all you do is stand on one end, gathering all the dirt and the leaves with you to the end. It's also perfect from getting dirt out from the sides. Now online I do see similar grabbing tools which has a similar design, but they have gaps in them. This one does not, which makes it easier to grab everything that comes in between. Once it's all cleared up, I'll give it a soft pressure wash and then resand it. That will be for another video. Take care guys, peace.